Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hello everyone, checking in today. The bulls are out in full force thanks to the tech sector on absolute fire. We've got earnings tomorrow morning for the financial sector names, kicking off the major names, a few of them, and then next week we will have the rest of them coming in. So tomorrow pre-market, we're going to get a good sense of whether we're going to get a bullish reaction to these earnings or a bearish reaction, and that is going to dictate whether we see continuation or consolidation. So SPY closed extremely strong. There was a bull surge in the last 5 minutes, closing at the high of the day. Highest close we've seen in 3+ months. Bulls still in full control. We knew that consolidation was just healthy consolidation. It occurred a little bit accelerated. And if there's one thing that we've learned in the last few months, it's that trade war drops are for buying. The market very easily shakes them off, and it has continued to do so. So the trade war does not scare the market at this point. It only is knee-jerk reactions. So SPY on the weekly time frame is now looking up at the all-time high. SPY is adjusted for the dividend here, which is why we've broken the high of March 12th. But SPX, the S&P 500, is $2 shy of breaking that level. So it is still technically the resistance level on the S&P 500 to be watching. But if that level does break, it's just the all-time highs. So bulls in full control, a new higher low on the weekly. In my opinion, to lose this weekly uptrend, we're going to have to see a bearish reaction to the financial sector and the tech sector earnings in order to see this downside. If we see bearish financial and bullish tech, I think that's going to hold up the market just fine. We will probably consolidate a little bit, but we will still likely hold this weekly uptrend. IWM on the daily, trying to form its daily higher low of 166.64. Nice long lower wick of bulls buying the dip off the middle Bollinger Band and trying to shift that momentum back towards the bulls for continuation on the daily chart. Not going to see much effect from the financial sector earnings on IWM. Resistance is 168.25, 168.61, 169.87. And the bulls just want to shift that hourly trend back in their favor to indicate that our daily higher low has been established. IWM on the weekly, a little bit of a red candlestick, so have to be watching for the potential of a pullback, but as long as the daily higher low is intact, the bulls are just fine. QQQ, we were pointing out the cup and handle pattern, and it followed through in a big way. Perfect breakout, new all-time highs. Green Marubozu candlestick, can't have a stronger candlestick there, and we're looking for continuation into tomorrow. Amazon all-time highs, Facebook, Google, all hitting all-time highs. Netflix is a cup and handle pattern, ready and waiting to go, and we'll see if Apple can catch up to the herd, but definitely a strong sector in full force. Weekly time frame shows that with continuation, higher lows and higher highs, no slowing down. Bulls are definitely buying into earnings for the tech sector right now. And with this, VIX is heading back down to our recent low. So we have a nice range to be watching, 1193 support and 1415 resistance. Bulls are going to attempt to hold 1193 tomorrow and form a higher low. If we do, we'll have a nice tightening range to be watching. Obviously, the bears still have favor, and that's not going to change anytime soon. First signal of bulls showing any kind of strength is going to have to be a break of 1415. Weekly time frame shows the attempt at a higher low here. Could still pull that off. That's really the bulls' only hope at this point on the weekly time frame. Last thing the bulls want to see is the lowest price we've seen in essentially 6 months. So overall, bulls in full control. Financial sector is going to give us some indication tomorrow what we're going to expect for the rest of the sector into next week, and then we'll have tech sector earnings after that. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.